Welcome to EntireHome Projects, a series going over recent projects that we've completed in more detail. In today's episode, we'll be going over an 8x8 washroom that utilizes space. In this washroom project, our client had a few notes before we started. They wanted a spa-like washroom, they need a tub instead of a jacuzzi, functioning standing shower, double vanity, and black fixtures. So let's dive right in. Due to the limit of space, our priority was to achieve as much space as possible. As you can see from the outside of the washroom, installation of a swing door was our major concern, due to the fact that swinging in was not an option and swinging out would cause collision with the two doors in the master bedroom. So we decided to use the 36-inch wall between both doors as a space saver. That's why we installed the barn door, and for added privacy, we added a locking mechanism. Moving along inside the washroom, you can see we've achieved our 4-piece layout with a toilet, bathtub, standing shower, and a 60-inch vanity. Firstly, let's discuss functionality in this space. As you can see here, from a single vanity, we now have a double vanity, but we've compromised on counter space based on what the client had before. To counter this, we've installed a medicine cabinet with storage on both sides to give client access to extra space and storage to avoid clutter on the counter. We also installed a mirror in between which houses 2 pot lights for added visibility. Now moving on to the standing shower. The client's existing system was a shower head, mixing valve, and a toe tester. As per the client's notes, she wanted a spa-like washroom, so we went ahead and installed a standing shower with a shower panel. The reason why we decided to go with a shower panel instead of a traditional 4-way shower system is because there was a limited amount of space to install 4 different shower components. A shower panel provides all 4 functions from body jets, shower head, shower handle, and spout without compromising on space and budget, making it the best economical solution. Also, due to the fact that there was another shower behind the ensuite, we could not have installed a traditional 4-piece system because of the plumbing stack that ran between both walls. So instead, we considered storage by adding a pocket niche for shampoos and other items they may want to store in the wet area. We also provided the same storage for the bathtub area just to create accessibility and consistency. Now, in regards to mobility, we've decided to go with a curbless shower pan system by Schluter. This is because walking into the washroom and considering the space, we didn't want any form of separation from any areas. So we decided to break all separation by going curbless to create an illusion that the washroom was bigger. Moving on to aesthetics. The reason why we chose this design and bathroom layout is because the space again was 8x8. We understand that the 2 components necessary to ensure that the bathroom was both functional and aesthetically pleasing is the vanity and bathtub. So we designed everything else around those 2 key elements. The client was set on having a double sink, so the 60-inch vanity was inevitable due to the bathtub being 60 inches as well. This made for a proportional layout as the bathtub and vanity sit at opposing corners, evenly spacing the room. We also recommended the client to tie in all the design aesthetics by utilizing black faucets, black sink bowls, black handles, and black accessories. To exaggerate those accents, we've utilized the flush mount vent by Aria on the floor heat register and the drywall pro vent for the bathroom fan, which helps draw your eyes towards the accessories of the space. Now, the last topic we'll go over is visibility and comfort. The reason why we've selected the drywall pro vent for the bathroom fan is because oftentimes people use washrooms late night and forget to turn off the fan or light, or feel as if the light is too strong. So we've incorporated a timer for the fan circuit to automatically turn off on its own, and also an internal fan light that provides enough visibility and comfort should the client want to utilize the washroom in the late night. Considering the clients asked for spa-like washroom, we incorporated heated floors by Schluter throughout the bathroom floor and standing shower area. And now to conclude, our client is very pleased with this build, and we are already underway working on additional rooms and bathrooms throughout the rest of the home. Thank you for joining me. My name is Saba, and this is EntireHome Projects. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave a comment. Always make sure to like and subscribe for more content coming your way.